This project is Zigbee and GSM based wireless fire and gas security. Here Arduino connections are Arduino and its data board along with the power supply 16:2 LCD display. Here Zigbee and GSM modem connected to Arduino through UART. Fire sensor and gas sensor connected to Arduino digital pin. Siren controlled by relay which is connected to Arduino digital pin here. This project has two Zigbee modules. One is at sensor sides and another is Zigbee at PC side. Now power on this. GSM initializing. On LCD it is asking send a message to store mobile number. Now we have to send star mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. Here all these sensors data transmitted to receiver, and we can see in serial terminal we used Arduino IDE software. Now open it. You have to open the tools option. Select the port, and here we have to select the serial port. Again we have to select the tools. Open the serial monitor. If any sensor gets activated, then SMS will come and siren will be on. Fire sensors and gas sensor status will displaying on PC through Zigbee.